This is a 2010 328i, and I just took off this cover here to reach up in this frame area here. There's 113 nut holding on one end of the strap, and the other side I'm holding the bolt up, and I undid the nut with the 13 ratchet stubby. I broke it free with a longer one, and then I went right up through here with my arm, and I was able to get enough, just enough to get that off from the back side. Should I get my hand up in there again? Right in there is my finger. So it definitely works to stick your arm up in there. You can just get that undone and back in there, and I'm holding the bolt with that pry bar, just so I don't have to fight holding the bolt. And this thing is definitely no good. There's a lot of corrosion and not much holding this wire together. So it's definitely going to have a voltage drop, high resistance, and delay your starting and possibly cause other DME or engine light issues. So I'm going to look for something similar, about 1 foot long, and I'd like to see these 8mm holes so I don't have to make my own cable. I'm going to look for something like that. I'd say it's maybe just over 1 foot, but right around 1 foot length is going to do. Thanks for watching.